So you have a bullet journal. Now what? How do you use it? What's the best or maybe the most fun way to fill it in? And should you even bother? Yes, you should. Journaling is a great way to take control of your thoughts and organize your emotional feelings. And you can make your journal look any way you want it to. I'm going to show you some easy ways to keep your journal looking neat and organized, the best ways for it to help you, but still with keeping some personality. Now, there are many options out there for purchasing a good beginner journal. A popular style is a pre-made prompting journal, which come with headers on each page, prompting you, the writer, to take that idea and just run with it, writing down whatever the prompt makes you think or feel. Lots of these have a sort of theme to them, like gratitude journals, which are popular and help you to gather up in one place everything that is good, going well in your life, and to think about it all in a positive light. There are also examples like this one, which is marketed more as an anxiety diary. This book allows you to write down all your fears and anxieties in a private place for only you to see. It also gives you reassurance that everything you may be worrying about is valid and really only temporary. There's even a scale along the bottom that helps you keep track of just how anxious you feel every day. This could be a super helpful way to begin to understand your feelings of anxiety or fear, and then to be able to anticipate those feelings and learn how to deal with them when they do happen. A good way to get started using a simpler form of a bullet journal is to utilize it as more of a day planner and set up maybe a title page for the month that you're going to begin planning. You can use stickers, paint, just draw. Be as creative or as minimal as you like. A title page will help you set your intentions and keep track of your goals for the month. You can schedule what you'd like to achieve or important things that need to get done. As for the actual monthly or weekly scheduling, it's all up to you how much you would like to use your journal as a day planner as well, and how much having a physical schedule documenting your school commitments and other social plans will actually help you keep track of it all. I like to do a broad monthly plan with big events laid out for me to see, so that I can keep in mind what is upcoming and what I should be preparing for. This will help you keep your life organized, and then writing out a detailed calendar has been proven to help improve time management skills, which, let's face it, we can all use help with from time to time. Besides scheduling, journals have a lot of use as a creative outlet as well. The plentiful blank space in many journals can be used for drawing, painting, practicing doodling. The possibilities are endless. That's what can make journaling so fun and freeing. It has been scientifically proven that writing or otherwise artistically expressing your feelings in a safe space like a journal can help with all sorts of things you may be feeling, even including physical pain and injury, and helping strengthen your immune system so that you can fight off illness. That's worth a shot, right? Journaling is a seriously great way to gain a feeling of control over your life. Whether you feel like you really need help doing that, or you're just looking for a way to explore your creativity and your interests. Journaling is something I sincerely wish I had gotten into the habit of at a younger age. It would have helped me learn valuable time management skills and self-expression that would really come in handy at this point in my life. It's also proven to help relieve stress, tackle anxiety, and really help you organize your life. So why not bite the bullet and give journaling a try?